Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft concrete in Minecraft. So in order to do this, first you will need to get the concrete powder, and to get the concrete powder, build the crafting table like this, right click on it, here put the gravel like this, get some sand as well, like this. Now take any kind of dye like this, and you can use multiple dyes. I'm using gray in this example, so let's take out this concrete powder, and here's the concrete powder. Now to craft the actual concrete, simply place a block of concrete powder inside the water, and after picking it up, but I'm in a creative mode so I can't basically mine it, but after being in the water it should turn into a concrete block. So let's compare it. It looks like this. Now let's put it inside the water again, and as you can see it's kind of different than the powder. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.